Hello, mates. It's been a very long 7 months we've been away, mates. Cheerio, mates. We've been gone for 7 months, mates, but I must say, real assistant, a Chinese friend of ours, mates. Got locked up in China, got locked up in America, mates. He's from China, he knows Kung Fu, karate, martial arts, mates, but I gotta say, it's good to be back. Pastor love the thriller, billionaire pastor, mates. We doing good big things, mates. Gotta get away from this crime here is crazy, mates. You know about his Chinese friend, the Pakistani roster, mates. He goes crazy, hits his cop, hits some Spanish cop, mates. Pakistani roster's Chinese friend. He's a brave man, mate. He's a brave man. He's very brave, mates. He took this guy's head off clean, like it almost. He almost took this cop's head off, this white Spanish cop's head off, mates. The man from China, he's a brave man. He should have went into boxing, mates. He would probably would have beat Floyd Mayweather, Manny Pacquiao. He probably would have beat them all, mates. He's a legend, mates. I gotta say, Mario Thriller, breaking news. He might come to SoundCloud very soon, mates. He's mastering his recording studio talents, mates, making beats, trap beats, all kinds of beats, mate. He's doing good. He's understanding how to record his own beats. He's doing a good system, mates. Mario will hit SoundCloud soon, mates. Now we just gotta collect our money, mates, and just be free, mates. I'll be in my big mansion in London, England, billionaire pastor, mates. It's so good to be alive, mates. So good to be alive, mates. Talking about God and the Bible, mates. I do billionaire pastor, private pastor, mates. Pastor London Thriller, mates. Yes, mate. Pastor London Thriller is here, mate. He's here. I'm here, mates. I'm here to preach about God, my friend, my man, my best friend. He's a good man. Gino Jennings. Go check out our YouTube channel, Gino Jennings, mates. Oh man, mates, you gotta do good, mates. Man, London, England, mates, is a very nice city. Oh yeah, speaking of since here being here in America, right, mates. I've been watching some wrestling. I've seen Paige, the lovely, my fellow English woman Paige. She's doing good on wrestling, mates. Alexa Bliss doing her thing, mates. Faked an injury. I saw that Alexa Bliss. You faked an injury. Beat up, I think it was Becky Lynch. I think, mates. You faked an injury. Do something. Alexa Bliss, you're a good wrestler, mates. I told Alexa Bliss, mate. Oh, mates. So good to be alive, mates. It's good to be alive, mates. Now I must say, this Chinese man, he's got something coming for his future. He's gonna be on YouTube one day, mates. Let me do some more shout outs, mates. Some more people. Let's see, Blizzard Boy Flame. Blizzard Boy T man, Blizzard Boy Flame. I'm a mentor at YouTube. He's gonna be the next me. I'm a mentor, mates. T man, Blizzard Boy Flame. Look out for that name, mates. He's gonna be the next me, a big hit star YouTube, mates. He's a nice man, mates. Oh, mates. London, England, mates. We do peaceful, quiet, rich, big things. We do little London, England stuff, mates. Holler, mates. Holler at your boy, mates.